Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the evolved enchant stone in Fish It. So this new rare item is the key to unlocking the most powerful enchants in the game. And here I'm going to show you where you can get this stone. So first, you just need to head into the ancient jungle like I do in here, and then head inside to the sacred temple, and then you can just go down in here and go to the new expansion where the ancient ruin is located, but it must be 4 players in level 200 and more, and you can just descend using the elevator. So teleport to the ancient ruin, but first you need to go to through the crystalline passage. So just go all the way down, so to be able to unlock the ancient ruin, you need to sacrifice 4 kind of fishes. If you haven't, you need to fish them on the sacred temple. So these 4 fishes in here, you need to get them to unlock this new location, and this is where you can get the new ancient stone. So as you guys can see, there are so many players in here. Maybe they want to get the new enchant stone. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.